The SugarBoxClinic started back in 2010. I just started on my own, so it was myself working, hiring salon rooms, and now we have 3 beauty therapists working here. We also have another nurse. So yeah, we've grown quite a lot over those 9 years. We're very sad actually to see Rachel is relocating. So we do need somebody who is going to be full-time and really someone who's got experience as a PA or as an office manager, someone who's going to look after my diary and look after all the demands that a director has. So it's really important that you've got experience with that. I'm looking for someone who can really take charge of their diary, take charge of everything else that's going on in the clinic administration-wise, and somebody who's not scared to answer the phone, pick up the phone and do some sales calls if we've had inquiries in. What's important is they've got the experience of helping a small business to run efficiently, that maybe they've looked after a director so they understand the demands of managing somebody else's diary or tasks that need completing, that they know what they're doing when they're running somebody's business, because ultimately that's what they'll be doing. It's important that you understand how to use Excel, you know how to use Word, you can use our CRM, and ideally you've had experience of using a bookkeeping system, because there are invoices that you may need to check or you may need to put an invoice on. I've grown and developed over the years, and I think I'm very fair. Some of the girls actually say that I'm probably not strict enough, and I'm working on that. I'm very particular. I like to have processes in place. I like things to be orderly, don't get me wrong, sometimes they are a little bit chaotic because we're a small business. We can change things quite quickly, so it's important that maybe someone who works for me doesn't mind change, because we do grow with trends. So I suppose, you know, it is a challenge to work for us, but we're a very fair team. I make sure that the people that we've employed are nice people, so that you'll be happy in our team, because there are other nice people here as well. It's really important to us. By far, the most important thing is that you're nice. If you're not nice, I'm so sorry you can't come in. That's just the way it is. You know, we're a small team, we're like a little family. Everybody's got to look after each other. You know, if the girls are busy, I've got to do the washing up. If I'm busy, somebody else is emptying the bins. You know, we all help each other. This is actually very important. For people who want to apply, I'd like you to send me a covering letter saying why you think you should get the job. It doesn't need to be fancy, but I just want to get an idea of your personality on your covering letter. Not so bothered about the CV, you know, everyone sends in a CV, but I just want to get to know you. You must send it first class recorded and send it to the clinic here at the SugarBoxClinic in Risca. So it's 35 Commercial Street and the postcode is NP11 6AW.